What if your business could answer phone calls and book appointments automatically, 24/7, without hiring anyone? In this video, I'm going to show you a real AI voice agent that does exactly that. We'll start with a quick look at the use case. Then I'll show you a live demo. And finally, break down the code and how everything works using MCP and N10. So this use case is of a Bright Smiles Dental Clinic that has implemented an AI voice assistant for appointment booking. From the website, a user can initiate a call and the AI agent takes over the entire conversation. You can embed something like this into any website, whether it's a clinic, a salon, or even a customer support system. And this is not limited to just websites. You can plug this directly into a phone number. So when someone calls a business number, this AI agent can pick up the call, talk to the customer, and handle the entire interaction, just like a real receptionist. Alright, let's see this in action.
Good day. Thank you for calling Bright Smiles Dental Clinic. This is Shubh, your AI virtual assistant. How may I assist you today?
Hey Shubh, I'm looking to book an appointment for tomorrow.
I'd be happy to help you with your appointment needs. To provide you with accurate availability and options, may I please have your email address? This will allow me to check your profile and assist you further.
Yeah, it's orkify@gmail.com.
Thank you.
Yeah, please book an appointment for 2 to 3 p.m.
Thank you for your request. Just to confirm, you wish to book appointment tomorrow, April 12th from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. May I know the type of appointment you would like to book for that time? The options include general consultation, dental cleaning, tooth extraction, root canal treatment, or a follow-up visit.
Yeah, please book root canal treatment.
The time slot from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is fully available. Just to confirm, you would like to book a root canal treatment tomorrow, April 12th from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. The appointment will last 1 hour. Please allow me a moment while I schedule that for you. Your root canal treatment appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow, April 12th, from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. If you have any other requests or need further assistance, please let me know. I'm here to help.
Yeah, thank you. So here we saw how the agent was able to identify the person who called up by pulling up its profile from the CRM system. It was then able to go ahead and book the appointment for the user, and as a result, a Google Calendar event was scheduled for the appointment booking and is now visible to the user and can be seen on the screen right now. Now let's break down how this was actually done behind the scenes. If you look at this architecture, everything flows from left to right, starting with the caller who dials into the system. The first step is speech to text, powered by Sarvam AI. So whatever the user speaks gets converted into text in real time. And this is optimized for Indian English accents. Next, that text goes into the language model GPT. This is where the system understands intent, like booking, rescheduling, canceling, or asking questions. Now comes the most important part, the MCP tools. This connects the agent to real systems using N10. So here we have tools like a CRM lookup, calendar booking, reschedule, and cancel. And the agent can dynamically call these tools when needed. Once the action is done, the response is converted back into voice. So the user hears a natural human like reply. On the right hand side, you can see the agent specifications and the core capabilities. Everything from greeting to CRM lookup to real time booking is fully automated. So, this is not just a chatbot, this is a complete production ready voice AI system. Now, let's look at the actual agent code. We start with the basic setup and libraries. We're using LiveKit Agents to handle real time voice communication and then integrating with OpenAI for reasoning, Sarvam AI for speech to text, and text to speech, and MCP for connecting to external tools. So, this entire system is built as a real time voice pipeline. This is the core of the system. the agent itself. Every time a user calls, a new instance of this agent is created, and this is where we define how the AI behaves. One important detail here, we dynamically inject the current date and time, so the agent always knows what today is. This is critical for appointment booking, especially when checking availability. This is the most important part of the agent. These instructions define the personality, behavior, and workflow of the AI. We define the agent as Shubh, a professional dental clinic receptionist. So the AI doesn't respond, it plays a role. We enforce strict communication rules like not interrupting the caller, speaking politely, avoiding awkward silence, and this is very important for voice systems. One of the most critical rules here, before calling any backend tool, the agent must say something like, please allow me a moment. This prevents silence during calls, which is a major UX problem for voice systems. Now, this defines the actual business logic. The agent first collects the user's email and applies strict validation rules, even converting numbers into words while speaking. This ensures clarity and avoids errors. Then it checks if the user exists in CRM. If yes, it continues. If not, it creates a new profile. This is where the real workflow happens. The agent can book, reschedule, and cancel appointments. And it always checks availability before confirming. Now, this is where things get really powerful. We connect the agent to external tools using MCP, Model Context Protocol. In this case, the MCP server is powered by N10. So instead of writing APIs here, all business logic lives in N10 and the agent just calls those tools dynamically. This is the voice pipeline, speech to text using Sarvam, reasoning using GPT, text to speech using Bulbul voice of Sarvam. So the system listens, understands, and acts and responds all in real time. We also use voice activity detection. This helps the system understands when the user is speaking and prevents interruptions or background noise issues. Finally, we set up the LiveKit server. This is what handles incoming calls and connects each call to a new agent session. So every caller gets their own AI conversation instance. So overall, this system combines real-time voice processing, LLM reasoning, external tool integration to create a fully automated AI receptionist that can handle real business workflows. And this is what powers the demo you saw earlier. Now let's look at how the backend workflows are handled in N8N. This is the N8N workflow acting as an MCP server for the AI agent. Instead of writing APIs inside the agent code, I've exposed all business operations as tool through this MCP server. So the AI agent doesn't hardcode anything, simply calls these tools dynamically based on the conversation. This MCP trigger exposes an endpoint, which the AI agent connects to discover and use all available tools. Whenever the user says something like, book an appointment tomorrow, the AI understands the intent and then decides which tool to call from the works. First, we have CRM lookup tool. This checks if the patient already exists, so the system can personalize the interaction. If the user is new, we use this tool to create a new patient record, passing details like name, email, and phone number. Before booking anything, the agent calls this tool to check which time slots are available. Once the user confirms the time, this tool creates the actual calendar grid with start time, end time, and appointment details. For rescheduling or cancellation, the agent first retrieves existing appointments, so it knows exactly what to modify. This tool comes in handy for that requirement. This tool handles cancellations using Event ID to remove booking, and this one is used for reschedule. It updates the time while ensuring no conflicts. All these tools are connected to MCP trigger, which means the AI agent can access all of them through a single endpoint. This is what makes the system really powerful. The agent doesn't need to know how these workflows are implemented. It just knows what tools exist and when to call them. This gives you clean agent code, reusable workflows, and easy scalability. You can update the backend logic without touching the AI agent. So overall, this end-to-end workflow acts as a brain for your business operations, while the AI agent handles the conversation, and together they create a fully automated voice receptionist. And this is how the system connects real world operations to natural AI conversations. You can apply this to healthcare, salons, real estate, customer support, anywhere you have repetitive calls. This can automate a huge part of your business operations. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe. I'll be sharing more real world AI systems like this. And if you're a business looking to implement AI solutions, feel free to reach out. We are an AI agency helping companies build practical AI systems that drive real business results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.